Hi, this is Justin and I would like you to show you a very special interior. So let's go. This interior, in fact there are two interiors. This is a very early Porsche 911 G model interior. I manufactured two sets. One set with the beautiful turbo seats and one set with the very nice comfort seats. And there's something very special about this interior, because this is a very early interior with the dark red, nearly Bordeaux pigskin and the Madras fabric. And in the early times of the G model, you had three options. You could go in this time for the Madras brown, like this one. Here, let me show you. Or you choose the Madras blue. In fact, the most people choose exactly this and not this beautiful red Madras. So it's very, very rare. I searched, in fact, for this fabric because I was really in love with this combination. And I searched a long time to get this fabric. And after months, I think it was even over 1 year, I found this fabric in England. But the guy, the owner, he doesn't like so much to sell to me. So it took me months over months to convince him, and after a period of time he sold me this fabric and I was able to manufacture these two beautiful sets. And again, it's special because probably these interiors are just the only ones restored maybe on the planet, because it's very rare. It was really only in the beginning, 1974, maybe 1975 offered. So you cannot buy this, maybe use. So when somebody needs this, he has no option. And what we also did, what is very special, let me show you this. We stitched this in blocks like Porsche did in some special interiors, especially in the turbo ones, as you can see here. And it's beautiful in this combination. I had enough material just to manufacture these two sets. So take a look how sharp we restored the seats, this full interior. Take a look at all details. Small parts are powder coated. Everything is covered in this original pigskin, who is a very, very beautiful leatherette, the original one, not some random leatherette. So yeah, I'm happy that I could present you this and enjoy this beautiful interior.